Hello everyone, this is 8th video of 7th chapter. In this video, we'll discuss question number 36. X, Y and Z were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in 543. Their balance sheet on 31st March 2020 is given. X died on 1st October 2020 and Y and Z decide to share future profits in the ratio of 7:5. It was agreed between his executors and the remaining partners that information relating to goodwill is given, profit information is given, some revaluations have been made, interest on capital 10% is to be provided, half of the net amount payable to ex-executor was paid immediately and the balance was transferred to his loan account which was to be paid later. Prepare revaluation account, ex-capital account and ex-executor account as on 1st October 2020. So first of all, we'll prepare revaluation account. Building undervalued by rupees 2 lakhs. So we have to increase building by 2 lakh rupees. By building account 2 lakh will be written on the right side of revaluation account. It's a profit. Machinery overvalued by 1,50,000. So machinery is to be reduced by 1,50,000. It will be written on the left side of revaluation account to machinery account 1,50,000 rupees. Furniture overvalued by 46,000. It is also to be reduced to furniture account 46,000 on the left side. A provision of 5% be created on debtors for doubtful debts. So amount of debtor is 80,000 and 5% of 80,000 is 4,000. You can see total of both sides of revaluation is equal, so there is no profit, no loss. This is your revaluation account. Now ex capital account. First of all, balance of his capital will be brought down on the right side. By balance brought down rupees 3 lakhs. It is given in the balance sheet. Now calculation of goodwill. Goodwill of the firm be valued at 2.5 years purchase of average of 4 completed years profit which were. So profit of 4 years is given. First of all, we'll calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to profit of 4 years over 4, 7,20,000 over 4. Average profit will be 1,80,000. Value of goodwill is equal to average profit 1,80,000 into number of years purchase 2.5, that will be 4,50,000, and X share of goodwill is equal to 4,50,000 into his profit ratio into 5 by 12 is equal to 1,87,500. New ratio of remaining partner is given in this question, so we have to calculate the gaining ratio first. Y's gain is equal to new minus old. New is 7 by 12, old was 4 by 12, gain is 3 by 12. Similarly, Z's gain, new minus old is equal to 2 by 12. So gaining ratio is 3:2 and this amount of goodwill will be compensated by Y and Z in 3:2. So X will get by Y's capital 1,12,500 and by Z's capital 75,000 rupees. Second point, X share of profit from the closure of last accounting year till date of death be calculated on the basis of last year's profit. And last year's profit is 1,80,000. So X share of profit is equal to 1,80,000 into 6 by 12. X died on 1st October. और 1st अप्रैल से 30th सितंबर तक 6 मंथ्स बनते हैं, तो इंटू 6 by 12 करेंगे to calculate 6 months profit and into 5 by 12 X share of profit according to the profit sharing ratio, that will be 37,500. As new profit sharing ratio is given, so this profit will be compensated by the remaining partners in their gaining ratio. So by X capital, by Y's capital X will get 22,500 and by Z's capital X will get 15,000 of his share of profit. Interest on capital to be provided at the rate 10% per annum. Capital is 3 lakh and 10% of 3 lakh will be 30,000 and for 6 months it will be 15,000. By interest on capital 15,000. On the liability side, balance of general reserve is given. So by general reserve, X share of general reserve will be 15,000. Investment fluctuation reserve rupees 14,000 is also given, but this will be utilized to cover this reduction in the value of investment. Advertisement suspense, 2 advertisement suspense, X share will be 50,000, and the balance that will be transferred to X executor account will be 5,05,000 rupees. X executor account by X capital 5,05,000 rupees. According to the last point, they are saying that half of the net amount payable to X executor was paid immediately and rest was transferred to his loan account. So to bank 2,52,500 rupees that is paid, and rest of the amount is transferred to X executor loan account. This is your question number 36. Thank you.